Hello. Me playing Gorilla Tag just won't work out, and Big Scary, so will just be the no clip video. Yeah, so before any of you guys ask why I said that. Peace. It's one game called No Clip Video. I really recommend you play it. Okay, so I'm really scared. Yeah, so this game is called No Clip VR, where you can backgrounds and all sorts of stuff. You have to run fast, and in this game you actually need to use your Okay, so this is like a horror game or something. We don't talk about that. Yeah, this game, if you don't like loud sounds, then you might want to exit out. I have my thing on full volume. I really don't know why. I don't like going in the dark. That scares me. So either way, I make like Gorilla Tag videos, and I just thought I'd make these no clip VR videos because this game is super fun. Even though I just downloaded it yesterday, played like all day yesterday. Okay, nope, I don't trust you right there. Okay, just kill me. Oh, God. Okay, there we go. And so either way, I used to play, so I play on MetaQuest 2. No stream, no MetaQuest 3. Play on a good old MetaQuest 2. And the games I've used it for the most is Gorilla Tag, #1, then Big Scary, and then this game. And I mostly make Gorilla Tag videos, but I thought I'd make one of these because, yeah. But I just started playing like Big Scary Gorilla Tag all in 2024, like in January of this year. And yeah, and that's what I've mostly been doing. And then, of course, I play like, yeah, but before I played all these games, my favorite game was the game Beat Saber. And that game went down. I didn't even see him coming. Now there's other levels that I think are better because there's not a lot of loud sounds. But, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna cut right here. And just, I'll record again. Are we back? Okay. I got jump scared. Okay, never mind. I don't want to go there. Make sure to subscribe. That will really help out the channel. And hopefully I'll be able to play with you guys on some of these things. Okay, somebody called. Who's in the code? Oh, Alex.
New code, bro. Can we do a new code?
Yeah,
the code's gonna be 0890.
No.
0890.
Well, because we won't be
0890.
You guys, he could be coming for us any
Get
minute.
out the shadow.
But we won't be
Yes,
today.
then.
We won't.
No, then just leave. We don't care.
Never mind. I don't want to go there. Yep, so I really recommend this. If you have a VR, you should get this game. But if you like car problems, then maybe don't watch this video. Come here, monkey. Fishbone. Come on, monster. All I want is a fishbone. Why is this game so scary? Sorry I have to cut around the videos, but it's mostly because if I try and make a 10-minute video without any cuts, it's gonna mess up. And it won't save to my videos, and then it won't snipe, so it's kind of hard, so I'm making like little cuts. So when a lot of people subscribe, hey, I got the fishbowl. When a lot of people subscribe, I want to start doing like fan lobbies and play No Clip VR, Big Scary, and some Gorilla Tag. So yeah, that's all I'm waiting for. But I need more subscribers. Let's try and reach 50 subscribers until we can do more fan lobbies and all that. Emerson? No. I might play Gorilla Tag too, like in the same video. You know what? I was planning on only making Big Scary, or not Big Scary, only No Clip VR. But you know what we'll do? Is we'll just make like all sorts of stuff. Like, we'll do a full video with all this stuff combined. Can I? I'm in the dark. Alright. I'm gonna go die and then I'm gonna go to main menu. And then that's when we can maybe start playing Big Scary or Gorilla Tag. Oh yeah. Bro, why do I walk like that? Like, bro, why do I walk like that? Goofy. Look at me walk, bro. They see me rolling. Hey. Just say. They see me rolling. They hate it. I walk so goofily in this game. I'm speed running. Alright, I'll be right back.